Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Please let me know if you guys can hear me okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We'll get started shortly. All right. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. So we should be live now. All right. Had some issues with the new platform, but we should be live now. All right. So welcome, guys. Welcome. If you would, as you come into the chat, go ahead and put your name in the chat for me, please. All right. We have a lot of information to go over this evening. All right. So welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. Let's go right into the markets. We had selling today, so a lot of selling today. All right, on the Dow. The Dow was down, guys, almost 700 points down on the Dow. Retraced a bit and closed down 494 points down on the day. The Nasdaq was down, S&P was down, and the Russell was also down. All right, so across the board selling. That should not be a surprise, all right, to any of our traders. No surprise there. On the S&P, let's take a look at it here. All right, on the S&P, guys, we had a green candle yesterday. Red selling came in today. But guess what? We're still holding that trend line so far, all right? So we are holding the trend line. However, all right, if we break through that trend line, we could see additional selling. So S&P is hanging on, all right? S&P is hanging on. On the NASDAQ, all right, on the NASDAQ, same thing, all right? Sellers came in today right here, all right? So that little bit of up there we had yesterday, that totally reversed. Sellers came in today on the NASDAQ. All right, so selling on the S&P, selling on the NASDAQ. On the Dow, let's see here. We still have a green candle, guys, on the Dow, but guess what? All right, looking to test previous resistance here. All right, so big down there on the Dow and the Russell IWM. I know it's all green here, but big move lower down, big candle here, and we needed to hold support here. But the equity markets definitely struggling to hold, okay? Struggling to hold. The VIX, guys, is at 1859. Just remember, right? 20, that's the number. So if it gets above 20 right here, then that's a lot of volatility, okay? And we don't want it to break through 20 right here. That's resistance on the VIX volatility index, because we could see the VIX move much higher, which would not be good for equities. All right, so markets is struggling. Equity markets struggling right now to hold. Okay, struggling to hold. All right. All right. Hold on 1 second here. All right. Hold on. Okay. So let's see here. Okay, so you guys, I see the chat is working again. So let me know, guys. Just send, all right, just send a message. Let me know the chat is working, okay? All right. So I'm still trying to figure this platform out. Okay. All right. So here you guys are. Okay. All right. The Magnificent Seven stocks. Right? We've been talking about these stocks. Okay. And if these Magnificent Seven stocks, all seven of them, if they fail, guys, guess what? Markets is in trouble. Okay. So Tesla, well, let's start here. Meta, Facebook. All right. Now, Meta was trying to make a move, right? Bounced and then closed right here today. Okay. Now it's stuck between support and resistance. A lot of consolidation. It's been consolidating since February. Okay. Microsoft, okay, trying hard to break to hold that trend line, but it's breaking through. Okay, so it's breaking through that trend line, but it's trying really hard to hold that trend line. We do have support right here, so really pay attention to these. All right, support is right here. Okay, Google right here. Right here is your sell signal here, and it's moving lower right here. Support is right here, 141 trading at 179. Okay, Apple, all right, struggling to hold its trend line. We do have a white candle right here, but it's holding. We need it to hold and not break through. Now, price is getting squeezed right here. All right, right here, it's getting squeezed, but guess what? There's a good chance it will break through that trend line right here. Red candle, close the buy signal and get out. Now with Apple, guys, we called it right about here. All right, so if you're in it, just be careful. Tesla gave a sell signal. We've talked about Tesla, guys. Give a sell signal today. So red candle, sell signal, right? We talked about what? Failed to break resistance, right? So it failed, really tried to break through that resistance right here. Failed, and this sell signal came in almost right here. See here? All right, working. All right. Thanks, Tamara. Okay, so sell signal right here. It's very similar to this sell signal. Now, Tesla, guys, support is right here. It's trading at 216. Support, right? Near-term support, 173. Now, if the market breaks down, now these are the most popular stocks out there. Okay, if Tesla breaks down further, all right, 173 is right there. If it doesn't hold support, we've got good support here. All right, next level of support all the way down here. I know it's hard to believe. Okay, I know it's hard to believe, but support all the way down here at $30. Okay, now that's a long way to go. I'm not saying it's going to get there, but that's where we have next support. All right, the next big support, all right, from here. All right, 170, 173, right about here is $30. Okay, this is just the low here. Now, again, I'm not saying Tesla is going to move down that low, but that's where we have support. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, near-term support, like I said, right here, 172, 173, and then NVIDIA. All right. Try to make a move higher yesterday, got a white candle reverse. Remember I said, guys, don't trust, right? Don't trust this move. We're still in selling season, okay? And we do have sell signals on the S&P and on the NASDAQ, all right? So August, September, those are big selling months, all right? Really big selling months, so just be aware of that, all right? Our current positions, let's go through those current positions in Monster Scalper. You guys know, you've been following us for a while. You know, we've had several months where we were just buying, right? Long the yen pairs, long the dollar pairs. And now we've got what? 2.5, 3 weeks where we are shorting. It's mainly shorts. Notice how things turn around, right? So shorting has been That's what's been working. So if you guys are, if you're long the Forex right now, just be careful what you're long. Okay, the trade right now is short. All right, that's the trade, and we always want to be on the right side of the trade, the right side of the market. Okay, if you're not shorting right now, then you're going against the overall. If you're in Forex and you're not shorting, you're going against the market. Okay, because that's the trade right now. Okay, and that's been going on for a couple of weeks now. Okay. All right, so pound yen. So we have some shorts. We're going to start with the Aussie pairs, though. So 60 minutes. So these are current shorts. Okay, current shorts. Now we've had, this is about the third or fourth cycle, short cycles, right? Third or fourth shorting. Let's say shorting opportunities on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. On the 240, we've had two opportunities, okay, to short on the 240. Some of the, I think a few of them, just one opportunity, they're still holding. And even on the daily time frame Forex Dominator, we've got some shorts that are still holding, okay? So lots of opportunities to short the yen pairs in particular. That's the number one trade right now. Yen pairs, and then Aussie, and not really the Kiwi, but let's go through this. So, all right, so Aussie Swiss. All right, great short here, guys. Look at that, amazing short. So hopefully you guys are capturing these shorts. Okay, so Aussie Swiss on the 60-minute time frame, and then we have another short right here. Sell short signal here. Good trade going here for lots of pips here, guys. Okay, so Aussie Swiss, good short. Okay, Aussie CAD, sell short signal is here, right? That one closed, so we're going to close the trade. All right, previous short did good, but Aussie CAD closed the trade. Aussie New Zealand, good short going, sell short signal here. I think we called it somewhere in here. All right, great short going here. All right, purpose support and resistance, nothing to do there. Okay, so you can bring in your, let's see here, your support line down here. All right, so this is distribution, breaks through that support line, redistribution. So Aussie New Zealand, good short going. Okay, I know this, it's gone down quite a bit. But when I show you guys what's going on the daily time frame, you guys will see, all right, these are big macro moves that's happening right now. So I know normally, right, you want to get out quickly, take those profits, but these are big moves that are happening. So try to capture as much as possible, because we don't see these types of trades, opportunities every day. Okay, so New Zealand yen. Great shorts going on right now. As a matter of fact, this previous short closed. Here is one right here. All right, so we're just going to stay in this one. So we're going to call it NZD. It's happening right now, guys. Look at that. All right, sell short signal right here, coming in on the 60-minute time frame on the hour. All right, so here it is, breaking support right here. All right, that's a new short, red candle here, sell short signal. So NZD JPY. All right, short on the 60 minutes. So that's coming in right here. So we'll leave that right in there. Okay, but previous trade closed. And look at the trades here. All right, trading really well. ZAR yen. All right, ZAR yen, sell short signal closed right here. But guess what? We've got a new short. All right, so our monster scalper traders, you guys are looking for some shorts. All right, Yokit, if you're listening, I know you were looking for some opportunities today. All right, right here, ZAR yen. All right, so ZAR yen, we're going to call that coming in right now, ZAR yen. short on the 60-minute. All right. Aussie yen. All right, same thing. Sell short signal closed today, right here. And we've got a new short. See what's happening, guys? Look at these trades. Look at the trades here with Aussie yen. All right, so if you guys are complaining about opportunities, all right, this is the wrong time. All right, we've got opportunities all over the place. Okay, so short here, buy to cover. That's for a lot of pips too, guys. From here to here is for about 200. Let's see here, 108, about 300 pips or so. Oh yeah, and then short signal here, buy to cover here. Look at these trades. All right. And then short signal here, buy to cover here, short signal here. Amazing trading. All right, so Aussie yen, we're going to call that basically a continuation. All right. So it closed, and now we've got new shorts coming in. That quickly. All right. Do we have data in the Asian session? Hold on. Let's see here. Do we have data right now? All right. No data coming in the Asian session. Okay. All right. So there's nothing really, no data pushing this. Just all right. They're moving. They're moving. TRY JPY, that's still holding its sell short signal, so we'll hold it there. Okay. CAD yen still holding its sell short signal here, so nothing to do there. And look at, keeps moving lower. Look at these candles here, guys. Okay. Pound yen. All right, it's still holding its sell short signal. Okay, so sell short right here, and it's holding right here. Okay, great short here, pound yen. All right, 60-minute time frame, guys. Look at these shorts. Okay, euro yen, same thing. Sell short signal is here, so these are still holding. They're still open. Okay, all right. So if you did not get in here, all right, don't get in here. That's gone. But New Zealand yen, ZAR yen, and Aussie yen give you some new opportunities to go short. Dollar yen, sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. We're going to move that, and it's still open, still holding. Move that down. Dollar yen. All right. Like I said, if you guys are trading other pairs other than these on the 60 and the 240, you guys are in the wrong, you're in the wrong space. All right, you're in the wrong space. Okay. Swiss yen closed its short position. So sell short signal here. Now we got a green candle, could have gotten in back in here, and then buy to cover here. So close the trade, Swiss yen. HKD JPY still holding its sell short signal. Sell short signal here, guys. These are on the 60 minutes. Amazing. All right, we got a low here. Not really support. All right, so continue to hold. Okay. HKD JPY and SGD JPY sell short signal is here. All right. Still holding here. I know we got a green candle here, but just hold on. Guys, they're moving. You guys can see they're just moving lower. All right, so hold on. Hold on. So those are the shorts in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frames. We don't have any longs, no longs on the 60 minutes, right? The trade is short. All right. Now, we missed some of the shorts on the 240. All right. We didn't catch all of them, but we got a few. Let's take a look at those, okay? Just great trading. Swiss yen on the 240 short, sell short signal is here, still holding. Okay, we have support right here. Candles coming in. Look at that. Sellers coming back down. That's good. Target right here. Swiss yen. Pound yen. Pound yen. Look at pound yen, guys. All right. Sell short signal here. Look at the previous short. Great short here for lots of pips. Okay. I think we called it right about in here. Right. Great short. And then we call the new short right here, guys. Look at that. Breaking through support. Look at this. Tearing through those levels, guys. All right. Great trading. And it's breaking through that big support down here. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Great trading here. Pound yen. You guys should be all over these trades. Okay. It's so disappointing when we have trades like this. You know, we wait. And then, we have trades like this and we don't have everyone. We should have every single one of our traders capturing this move. Okay. I've heard from a few of you guys and you've done really, really well. Okay. But boy, we need everyone capturing these moves. Pound yen. All right. This could be, trades like this could suddenly make your month. All right, make your quarter, sometimes even make your year. Okay, so pound yen, sell short signal here, great trade going. We'll continue to hold that. Aussie yen, all right, Aussie yen, great short. Look at that, beautiful short here, guys. For about, what's that? Aussie yen, about 600 pips, all right? And then we have a current short, neutral short here, sell short signal here, breaking through that support. I mean, look at that. The support here was all the way up here, all right? And we don't even have new support levels on the 240, okay? And currently it's breaking down, all right? So Aussie yen on the 240, and we didn't capture all of these guys. We didn't capture all of the yen pairs on the 240, all right? But even with these, great trades, all right? New Zealand yen, amazing trading here. Sell short signal here, breaking through that support down here. Redistribution. We do have a yellow support and resistance, all right? So please keep an eye on that, okay? And then Aussie, New Zealand, all right, fairly new short. Sell short signal is here, and we've got some targets here. What amazing trading. Forex can be so exciting when it moves. All right, sell short signal here, moving down nicely, and target is right here. All right. We do have a few longs. Now we're keeping an eye on the dollar pairs. All right, to go long. If we can see the dollar pairs break out, guys, if the dollar pairs break out, that would be further confirmation. We could see these yen pairs continue to move lower, dollar pairs move higher. That would be amazing. Okay, the dollar index got a bounce today, so right here at support, but we got a nice big white candle here, right? And currently it's up. We see that dollar pair, the dollar index here. If it keeps moving higher, get a green candle, start, we are far away from resistance, which is right here. But if we can get a, continued upward movement, get a green candle in here, or even another white candle, that would help the dollar pairs. Now, this is an early move in the dollar pairs. All right. And we have a few pairs here. We'll add a few more on the 60-minute time frame this evening. But remember, guys, the yen pairs, that's your best trade. Okay. See them? They're going down. All right. But hopefully the next rotation will be the dollar pairs. Okay. So let's take a look at those. So none on the 60-minute. We do have a few here on the 240. And we'll look to add a few more. this evening. USD MXN. All right, buy signal here. Look at that, guys. USD MXN on the 240, buy signal here. All right, moving up nicely here. Okay, holding firm. USD DKK, buy signal here, holding, moving up slowly here. Okay. USD CZK, all right, buy signal here, and it is holding. Okay, so let's bring in the near-term support. So we needed to hold support. All right, this is a concern, but right now with the dollar index moving higher, some of the dollar pairs moving higher, we might get some help here. Okay, we needed to break through that resistance. So we have 3 for now. We'll look to add a few more this evening. Okay, so USD CZK long. All right. Now we have some longs here in Forex Dominator. Those are not great setups. We've talked about these. These are not your best trades. All right. These euro pairs and pound pairs, guys. All right. We still hoping that, wouldn't put a lot of capital to work here. All right. But let's see how they're doing. Euro New Zealand just holding buy signal here. We really need to get past resistance. EUR NOK, same thing. Euro CAD, same thing. So not much, guys, happening here. Euro Aussie, same thing. Euro SEK, same thing here. Pound CAD, Pound Aussie, okay. And pound HKD, that one closed. So buy signal here, sell signal, red candle, fail to stay above resistance. All right, just like it did here. All right, still caught up. All right, a lot of consolidation in here. Like I said, these go back. This consolidation goes back since July of last year. So a whole year of just about nothing. Okay, so we're hoping for a breakout, but we'll see. Dollar CAD, all right, dollar CAD looks good. Buy signal here, and it is breaking out. So that's a dollar pair. That's good. USD NOK, buy signal here. That's holding with the dollar index moving higher. Dollar pairs, hopefully we get a breakthrough here. But euro pairs, pound pairs, guys, just be very careful. We were hoping for a breakout, but that's not happening, not yet. Okay. So if you're in those, you might want to rotate out of those into some other pairs that are moving. All right, short positions in Monster Scalper daily time frame, and these are exciting. I know they'll take longer to execute, but great trades going here. All right. New Zealand yen. Look at this. New Zealand yen, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open this up so you guys could see this. So now, most of our traders, I would say about a good 95% of our traders trade Monster Scalper. It's such an exciting market, exciting product. Exciting system. And although we have traders that trade equities and futures, all right, Monster Scalper is very, very popular. Forex Dominator is not as popular because we are trading on the daily time frame. And most of our traders don't want to trade on the daily time frame when it comes to Forex. But boy, I want you guys to I wish most of our traders had a combination of Forex Dominator, and Monster Scalper. Okay, where you could leave, right, get in the trades, just leave them alone, let them run, so you could really build some pips, and then use Monster Scalper, right, on the 60 and on the 240. Okay, because boy, when we get big moves in Forex Dominator, they really pay off. Okay, so I'm gonna go through some of these moves, these trades here. So New Zealand yen, sell short signal here. And guys, we had so much time that with these, we caught them right on that sell short signal. Okay, so New Zealand yen sell short signal was here right at 95. All right, trading right here at 88. That's about 700 pips, guys. 700 pips. And look here, that's a falling knife. Look at that. That's a lot of pips here. Lots of pips, lots of money there. Okay. Now we've got support coming in here. All right. So we have support right here. Sell short signal here. An amazing trade. Okay. We'll see how it reacts to support here. All right. Next area of support is right here, right in here. And then your real support right here, right here, right here, all the way down here. If that price action, if that falls from the sell short signal here all the way down here, that's what? That's about 1,300 pips or so, I think. All right. Lots of pips. Let's say that. All right. Lots of pips. So that's why Forex Dominator, guys, boy, you can really add up those pips. Okay. When it works, right? When it works like this. All right. Pound yen. All right. Fairly early. Sell short signal is here. All right. Moving down nicely. Support is right here. All right. If it breaks through that support, next support level is all the way down here, right? And I know it's far away, but guys, we never know. We never know what this market's gonna do. All right. All right. So fairly early. All right. What's that? How many days? 1, 2, 3 days. Okay. So a Forex Dominator traders. All right, you still might have some time here, okay? So pound yen, TRY, JPY, great shorts here. All right, breaking through new support levels. Sell short signal is here. All right, moving down lower. We're concerned about this one here. All right, buyers can come in. It's low in the markdown phase, but good. Look here, taking another leg down. All right, great job. Aussie yen. Look at Aussie yen. Sell short signal is here. Moving nicely here. All right. If you guys are not in these trades, I don't know what to say. Okay. Sell short signal here. All right. Right here. Support right here. Next support right here. Okay. And again, remember, these yen pairs will follow the equity market. So as the equity market's moving higher, we looked at, right, the Magnificent Seven stocks. Those are breaking down. The S&P has a sell signal, right? The NASDAQ has a sell signal, right? These yen pairs will follow, right, that rotation out of stocks, okay? So that's why this is happening. All right. And again, we're in August, September. So we could see some follow through all the way down. Okay. No guarantees, but it could happen. All right. Aussie yen, CAD yen. All right. Great short going here. CAD yen. Support is here. Sell short signal is here. Great trade. Next support level. All right. So we need to start looking at these next support levels. All right, some of these are breaking through, right? Second level supports. Okay, all right. CAD yen, euro yen. All right, sell short signal is here, support here. Okay, moving down nicely. Look at this. All right, find your spot. You can't short all of them, but just find 1 or 2 or 3, okay? All right. Long way to go here. That's euro yen, dollar yen. All right, sell short signal is here. Support is here. Next support level all the way down here. It's on the daily time frame now. All right. HKD, JPY. See what they're doing, guys? They're all doing the same thing. Okay. That's your number one trade right now. Yen pair short, okay? And they're moving down. Look, they're moving down right now, okay? All right, that's New Zealand yen top right now. This is at opened at 5 o'clock. That's down. That's 38% already, okay? Let's see here. All right, these trades can make your year. All right, HKD JPY sell short signal is here. All right, support is here. All right, this can reverse all your losses if you trade them right. Sell short signal is here. Look here. Support is here, moving down nicely. If you guys need help with any of these, let me know. You guys know how to find me. I'm always available, okay? All right, sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. Support here, next support level, right? Sometimes when they break, you guys have seen this, that break support level like this with that type of movement, right, can get to the next level pretty quickly there, okay? NZD, so the Kiwi pairs, New Zealand, Swiss, right at support here. All right. Normally, guys, we'd look to close, but boy, with this big move that's happening, we're looking for another move lower. All right. And the price is holding right at that support here at the lows. Okay. It's not holding near the high here at that resistance level at the lows. Very encouraging. And we're in the Asian session. That's very good. New Zealand dollar. Okay, keep an eye on New Zealand dollar. Got a little bounce here, but sellers are coming back in. You guys can see that here. Sellers are coming back in. Okay, what amazing trades. Aussie Swiss. All right, sell short signal here. Look, and guys, we follow these pairs every evening, and you guys have seen what they've been doing, right? Every evening we do this. And this is why support, you have a lot of support right here. So we know buyers are sitting here. Okay, but boy, we could break through here. If it breaks through here, we could see really sellers really come in and short. All right, pass here. So Aussie Swiss, Aussie dollar, that's holding. Keep an eye on it. And then Aussie CAD, that's holding right here. Okay, let's bring in a trend line. All right, but your best trades will be the yen pairs. Okay, guys. All right. All right. Stay with the big movers. Okay. All right. So let's see if Aussie CAD could break through that trend line here, and then we have resistance up here. Amazing trading. Amazing trading. And our systems are catching it all right, catching them. All right, we added some, and I was concerned with adding, you guys heard me last night with, right, about adding stocks, right? All right, I think we added 3 or 4 last night, small caps. Let's take a look at those, okay? We're running light right now, which is what we need to do. So Bull Master, nothing in Bull Master. We have a few in Bull Master Pro. Let's take a look at, like I said, even with small caps and the Russell, this market sells off, everything goes down, right? Most of these stocks will go down, even small caps. All right, so let's go through these, make sure they're holding. AKBK closed the trade. So buy signal was here, white candle here, closed the trade. All right, and sellers could come in. They came in here, came in here. All right, closed the trade. That's holding. RZLT closed the trade. Buy signal was at 368. Closed today at 441. Closed the trade. All right, SIGA closed the trade. All right, buy signal here. Guys, we have resistance here, and it is struggling. All right. So buy signal here, and here is where it failed before, failed here. All right. And today, guess what? All right. It's trading below resistance, did not hold, didn't break out. Buy signal here was at 836, closed. Today, 924, closed the trade. Defense, there are other markets, other instruments we can trade. Okay, so SLRN closed the trade. And remember, these small caps, guys, these are smaller companies. So if these large caps are failing, guess what? These small companies will fail, all right? And they'll go down fast. This one is holding here. All right, so Stock Boss. Nothing in Bull Master. And that's what we, right now, that's what we want to see. If things change, and remember, we are not in the buying season for equities. This is not the buying season. APO Bull Master with fundamentals, buy signal here, right? Big red candle, sell signal, close the trade. So buy signal came in at 117, close today at 115.97. Close the trade, please. All right, that has a long way. It could come down. Okay, long way. There. AX is holding. Boy, we'll see. Buy signal was here at 62. Trading now at 69. Let's get rid of this. So AX, good fundamentals, but nah. Coke, look at Coke. Now, Coke can be a flight to safety, right? People won't give up on their Coke, their alcohol, right? Buy signal here. All right, nice big move for Coke. Goldman Sachs, all right, it's holding right here. And wow, that's a surprise there. HWKN, buy signal here. Look at that, guys. Gapped up here. Looking really good here. PIP, it's doing its own thing. PIPR, all right, a bit of a pullback here. It's been strong. We'll keep an eye on it, okay? All right. All right. Quick look at, I just want to run Stock Boss, Hit Seeker here. Let's see how many we've got. In Stock Boss, 26. Notice how quickly it changed, guys. 26. Bull Master, I think Bull Master has a bit more in it. 122. All right, that's a lot there, but we're just gonna leave it for now. Okay, that can change quickly. Healthcare, let's see, healthcare. Yeah, there's still healthcare, few financial, so they're all over. They're buying a mix of everything. Okay, services, consumers. Okay, technology, not a lot of technology. All right. Utilities, only 5 utilities. All right. Usually, if we see more selling, we'll see more utilities pop up. Okay. Bullmaster Pro, just let's see here, just to see. Okay. Not all green. All right. Got some red in here. And Stock Boss. I'm sorry. Monster Scalper. So we're going to go through this, and then we'll be done, guys. We were looking for dollar pairs. Okay, so we're trying to find if there's an early rotation in the dollar pairs. All right, look at this. This is a beautiful thing here. New down. Look at that. New down. New down. All right. So new down. Right here. All of this here. New down. So our monster scalper traders, guys, you guys need to be all over these trades. All right. So new down. Right, new down in here, new down, all in here, okay? So the dollar pairs. All right, we're looking for buy signals. This is an early move now we're looking for. Early move in the dollar pairs. So I wouldn't go heavy. So USD, all right, so we have a buy signal here, okay, buy signal here. The good news is that as the yen pairs move lower, these dollar pairs, that's the rotation we want to see, right? Short the yen, long the dollar. Short the yen, right in here, long the dollar. That's the rotation. That's the big rotation we want to see. All right. Aussie Kiwi, that's that's after the fact, right? We can take these, right? That's after the fact. These Euro pairs, pound pairs, that's after. That's your trade here. Always, right? Yen and the dollar. So if we can see the yen short, dollar long, great trade. Or yen long, dollar short, great trade. All right. So USD PLN. All right, we all have limited amount of capital, so we can't trade it. Find where's the rotation, what is moving. Because if you miss it, right, you might have to wait a long time to get another real opportunity. USD PLN long, 60-minute monster scalper. Okay. Wait for USD NOK. We just need a buy signal. Okay. USD MXN. All right. We have it already on the 240, and we have a buy signal. And look here, it's been trading fairly well. Okay. So if you solid in the yen pairs, right? You've done well in the yen pairs, and you in those trades, you've got some extra capital, right? Dollar pairs are setting up perfectly. No guarantees, okay? USD MXN buy signal here, all right? On the 60-minute, USD MXN. Long, 60-minute, okay? And we got buyers on the 240. See here, buyers on the 240 long, buyers on the daily. Okay. All right. Dollar Swiss. I'm sorry. USD HUF. USD HUF long on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. Okay. So it's been trading well. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here, buy signal here, and we're breaking resistance. All right, right here, we have a decent upward trend. Right here, breaking out, okay? And let's see here. Buyers on the 240, buyers are here on the daily. All right, USD HKD. All right, USD HKD on that 60-minute time frame, that's already gone. Okay. All right, USD DKK, same as USD HUF. So let's USD. What a nice rotation. All right, USD DKK. Buy signal came in on a break of this resistance here, and we have very defined support and resistance. Buy signal here, and it's just waiting here, waiting to move higher. All right. Buyers are on the 240. Buyers are on the daily. So USD DKK long. Okay. Let's wait on that one. Nothing here. All right. Dollar CAD. All right, buy signal right here on a break of resistance and still fairly close. Buyers are on the 240 with a buy signal. All right, so buy signal USD CAD, dollar CAD, buy signal on the 240 and also on the daily. Now we are already on the daily in Forex dominator, so we're going to add it on the 60 and on the 240. So USD CAD, dollar CAD, long in monster scalper on the 60 and the 240. You guys have so many trading opportunities, okay? So many trading opportunities. So USD CAD, buy signal here, nice buy signal. And look at the previous trade here on the 240, guys. Look at that. Beautiful trade. And we have a second buy signal there, okay? All right. Quick look at the 240 in the dollar pairs, and then we'll be done. Again, if you guys need help, markets are moving, get in touch with me. Okay. USD PLN, that looks good. USD PLN on the is on the 240. Okay, so are we on the 240? I think that's gone. Yeah, that's gone. All right, MXN. All right, USD. We missed this one. USD HUF on the 240. That's a good trade going here. DKK on the 240. Yeah, we're on it on the 240. We'll keep an eye on it on the daily. And then the last one, USD CZK. Yeah, we're on it on the 240. So right here, did we add it on the 2? Yeah, we didn't add it on the 60. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the 240. So 240 here, we have it on the 240 CZK. All right, we don't have it on the daily. All right, we'll add it on the daily. The dollar index breaks out, guys. This could break out. USD CZK. The dollar is due for a move, but we need the dollar index to cooperate. Okay, so we'll take this. All right, I wouldn't get in heavy. So USD CZK, long Forex dominator, that's the daily. All right, and just test, right? Take a small partial trade right here. Can always scale up if it breaks out, okay? All right, guys, so exciting, huh? So many trades. So we should be all over these yen pairs. Okay, all over these yen pairs. We should have been for 2 weeks now, right? Week and a half, 2 weeks, okay? And then looks like the dollar pairs are moving higher. Equities, 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 okay? So our equity traders, okay, be very careful, all right? Be very, very careful. You know, the VIX is moving higher. Any additional selling is going to be over 20, okay, on the VIX. So just be careful with equities. And you guys notice we've pulled back Stock Boss, Bullmaster, even Bullmaster Pro, okay? So just be aware of that. And our monster scalper traders, most of our traders, most of you guys have monster scalper. Yes, you might have Stock Boss, Bullmaster, right? Your E-minis. Let's take a look at the E-minis, okay? But, you know, this is why we have multiple systems so you can go from one market to the next, okay? And not being tied to just one market or one system, whatever is moving. US 30, our US 30 right here, we didn't call this short, all right? The daily just doesn't look good, okay? So we didn't call this. The NAS, we didn't call the NAS either. It's right at support. Okay, sell short signal came in right here, but guys, look at that, okay? And so our US 30 traders, NAS 100 traders, just hold off. The trades will come, okay? The trades will come. And the S&P. All right, same thing here, right at support. So we didn't call this. If it breaks, perhaps the next short signals, depending if if they break down, we might call them, okay? But just nothing right now, unless you're trading really small time frames, all right? 5 minute, 1 minute, otherwise, all right, nothing here. All right, guys. All right, amazing trading, amazing trading. Okay, so those of you taking advantage of these moves, good job. Okay, and I'll see everyone on Sunday. Take care, guys. If you need me, get in touch with me. Take